Are you a W-2 employee and you're wondering how your employment affects your loan approval to purchase a house? Well, we're going to talk about that next. Hi there, it's Janni, Realtor and Broker Associate at Home Legacy Realty, and I help families just like yours buy and sell real estate right here in Southwest Florida. Now, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I post about all things real estate and living in the area. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be the first to know when I post a video. In today's video, we really want to talk about W-2 employment and how your work history affects your loan approval. To get all the answers on that, here with Chris to tell us all about it.
Hi, I'm Chris Fulton with Movement Mortgage. So today we're going to talk about how a W-2 employment history affects a loan approval. So being a W-2 employee is really the easiest way to track employment as far as a loan approval. So depending on the loan type that we're working with, most of the time you just have to show a 2-year history in the same field. Okay, that could be schooling that got you into that field or the training that you needed to get into that field, or a 2-year history in the same job, or even a 2-year history in different jobs but in the same field. You can do that. For instance, say you were a nurse and you're switching hospitals. That's okay. What you would need is an offer letter from the new hospital or your first 30 days pay stub showing that you're in the same field, and that can work.
Well, what about if I'm a snowbird, let's say, because we live in Florida, and I lived up north and I was a nurse, and I moved down to Florida and was a nurse too. Does that change make a difference?
No, you can move across the country, specifically with the nurse example, as long as you're staying in the same field at a new hospital and you have either the first 30 days pay stubs or an offer letter, then you can move to a new hospital. It doesn't have to be locally.
And that's such great information. It's really good to know. So if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll answer those questions for you. Or you can get right in touch with Chris. I'll have his information in the description box for you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.